Merlin here again. Okay, we vacuumed the sludge out of the floor and I pulled it back out of the shop so I can get in it and hose it out better. It literally had a 1/4 inch of mud in the bottom. You can still see a little bit of mud in there. But anyway, this is out in the daylight, in the sunlight here. Well, what sun we have. It's a cloudy day today. But this is it. Right now it is a total mess. It's going to be a total rebuild. Not sure what all we're going to find as we get into it, but as I was saying, as you can see, the engine here is not even bolted down. It's not even the correct engine for it. So I don't even know if it would even bolt in there or not. It's just sitting in there. The fan's taken loose. It's a mess. Right now I'm just going to take and get the hose and hose out the whole bottom, and we'll go from there. And we'll keep you updated as we go along. But that's the Hoverstar.